Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So I have been in and out of Dollar Generals all today and having an absolute ball. This haul was really fantastic. We're talking $1.25 for these Downies, $1.47 for this big bag of lights, free air care, which is always nice. 13 cents for these, 25 cents for these, 32 cents for my Lysol wipes, free Raid spray, 35-cent swab, and 23-cent Quantum. And there's also a glitch on Dollar General brand bedding, so we'll talk about that also. And it's just easier to do slides than a video, so I just wanted to show you the awesomeness here of today's haul, and I'm pretty excited by this. So let's get to.
Before we dive into the deals, if you could possibly give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Back there we have a black and white tuxedo named Big Moo, who's from a farm 2 doors over, 2 properties over. She comes to visit, and our little cat Suzu, who is my co-editor. First thing we're going to talk about is this weird glitch that's happening at self-checkout at new stores only. This is how it was described to me. I've seen this all over social media, but I would like to give credit to Brenda, Brody Saves, because she really got into the nitty-gritty on this. Unfortunately, I was on a lunch break, went back to Dollar General, and I have the sneakiest suspicion that the one place with the self-checkout, where you can scan your own stuff. I think the manager grabbed everything, put it in a cart, and brought it to the back because she's on social media too. So what you're looking for too, guys, is to grab 2 of these luxury soft Comfort Bay, either the quilts, bedding sheets, those sort of items, and it'll have a price in the app and then another price, such as $14.25 for example, like that's the sales price. Below it, it'll say buy one get one free. You take 2 of them up to self-checkout and it should ring up for a penny each. When they're going to pull this is unknown. I could not test it, guys, because I'm pretty sure that all the merchandise was taken off the floor, so I couldn't test it. And the other store that we have here, they do not have a self-checkout machine. New updated stores only. Get out there right away. I'm pretty sure it'll be all over social media when this is gone. But, if you can get like a $20 set of sheets, why not? Make it happen. Okay, so this is another item that you should definitely be looking out for, and this is 93-cent Raid spray. Here is the UPC. We have a digital coupon for $2. At updated stores, it's just going to make it a freebie. At non-updated stores, you'll get a little bit of overage. So definitely load this digital coupon. What I did, because I was at an updated store, I grabbed 3 of them for $2.82. That coupon reduced down to 94 cents. I paid $1.88 plus tax. Shopmium is giving you back $2 for one of these, so it just made it completely for free. IBOTTA, that rebate did not work for me. They sent me a message saying, sorry, not sorry, you're not getting anything. I might send them a message because at least 2 of them I should get the rebate, but you never know with IBOTTA. So just go through Shopmium. Or just not use a digital coupon and maybe a bigger money maker for you, because the Ibotta rebate is $2 each, which is really fantastic. And I thought I would get at least 2 of them, but sorry, Charlie, for me. Now, this morning I was really rocking and rolling the same little transactions, because the Tide Light Pods, it's the 31 count. To get it for $1.47 is totally what it's about. Free Febreze air care and the Downy Bliss for $1.25. Yeah, I have no problem paying for that. So the first item we're going to talk about is the Tide Light. I think they're discontinuing this line. It has a lighter perfume to it, which I think is a genius idea. 31 count. And what's the security that is inside of this bag? Does anyone know? Because I certainly don't know what it is. Here's the UPC if you want to look for this. Look for this in a regular aisle. It was not in the clearance section. One store had it in the clearance section, most just on a regular shelf. So just like this, for $4.47, we have a $3 digital that's expiring on Saturday. You'll pay $1.47 for 31 Tide Pods. Guys, this is a stock up price. Make it happen. This is extreme couponing. Next deal, we have $1 digital off of the Downy. So you pick, do you want the beads or do you want the liquid? I have more than one store account, guys, so that's how I'm able to get like all this stuff. So that's why. And here's the UPC for the beads that's on clearance, along with the Downy Bliss. And this stuff smells pretty amazing. So use the Tide Light and then use this wonderful fabric softener. And here is the UPC for this guy. So pick wisely which deal you want to do if you only have one store card. This is $2.25, subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying $1.25, which is a really great price point. Now, another item that's attaching with this coupon is this guy. This is on clearance for $2.47. It'll be $1.47 with that digital coupon, but I just can't pay $1.47 for dryer sheets when we get them for free at the pharmacies, so I passed on this one, but they were on the regular shelf. Another item that was on a regular shelf is this Tide, some sort of odor, Simply Pods, $5.73. We have no digital coupons to go with. Perhaps this would be fantastic in a 5 off 25 scenario. And here is the UPC for this guy. I found a bunch of these on a Sky Shelf, which are these Finish Quantum, $2.23, part of the clearance event. Here's the UPC. I had to look really high for them in the clearance section. We have a $2 digital, so it made this bag of pods 23 cents. And this is the digital coupon. Load it. And how fantastic is this deal? Super duper deal are on these plugs, and again, I used more than one store card. They're completely for free. The summer scents, and then they have like some sort of peony scent. Here are the different UPCs. A couple of them also were like $1 after the digital coupon, and I'm like, I am not paying for that. I want these for free. And yeah, it hurts me whenever we have to pay for these plugs. So to get them for free at the Dollar General, this is what the clearance event is. And that's the mystique and beauty of it. So these guys are $2.47. We have a $2.50 digital coupon, making it free or free and 3 cents of overage. Again, I used more than one store card, so I stocked up on those. This guy was the only snag I had. It was not ringing up 50% off of that cost at checkout. So the cashier had to modify it for me. So if you're not shy to speak your mind and say, hey, could you modify it for me? You should be just laughing. But this rank, she had to modify it for $2.25. We have a $2.30 digital and made it free. 5 cents of overage, but I'm still happy with that. I did not go overboard. I just did 3 transactions with it, but still very grateful for that. Now we have these Lysol wipes that I got for 32 cents. We have a digital coupon for 50 cents off. That came off. And I also got back 75-cent cash back. So one of these is $1.57. Subtracting that coupon, I paid $1.02. And then I got back 75 cents of cash back from the app. So it made it 32 cents after everything is said and done. You'll either get the IBOTTA money or 75 cents back on the app. Now, this is a very good one. 70 cents for these 2 Suave. It must be the coconut oil infusion. There's another one with a very similar bottle, but it's not this one. So you really have to pay attention that it says coconut oil on the bottle. The other one is not on clearance. And here are the 2 different UPCs for these guys. No digital coupon you have to load, but we have buy 2, save 2. So at the price on clearance, it shakes this out to 70 cents for the 2 with the buy 2, save 2. And yeah, I was really happy to get these for 70 cents. You have to buy them in sets of 2 as well to get that promotion. We also have a lot of gardening seeds for 13 cents. I did pick up some watermelon. I thought it might be fun to plant some in my yard next year just for fun. I don't have a green thumb, but I just thought it would be funny. So if you are into gardening, you might want to look for some of these seeds because they are reduced down a lot. Here is the UPC for the watermelon, so I'm pretty excited for that. Okay, and this very cute green dot, it is like a little dish towel, and so many people are on the carnivore diet. This is going to make a really cute little gift. So this was $0.25. It's 50% off of the 50 cents that it was. Here is the UPC. I wish I could have found a whole lot more of these because they're just adorable. I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for these tomorrow. I want to get a whole bunch of them because they are so, so cute. So I would definitely, if this is your style or if you want to gift somebody this for Christmas, I just think it's adorable. So I noticed too when I was out and about at the store, a lot of stores are just not prepared for this event, and the clearance event, as per the tags and stuff in the store, this is going right till next Thursday. A lot of stores had this too. A whole bunch of these gray totes. You have to go through them. I feel really bad for elderly people that have to bend over to look through these. For all of my Febreze sprays at one store, I had to pick through one of these. It took me a couple of minutes. So if you were a lot older, a senior, this would be just one thing you'd walk by. Like, why wouldn't you want to do it? As this is going on up into next week, I think this is going to be an opportunity for a lot of us to score big, because who would want to go through one of these totes? Just a little bit of food for thought. Get out there, guys, and score, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.